Welcome to Adventure Pulse, where we uncover the extraordinary world of animals. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and fascinating realm of parrots. These feathered wonders have captivated humans for centuries with their intelligence, colors, and unique behaviors. Get ready to discover some surprising facts about parrots that you've never known before. First off, did you know that parrots are incredibly social creatures? In the wild, they live in large flocks, sometimes consisting of hundreds of birds. This social structure not only provides safety in numbers but also allows them to communicate effectively. Parrots are known for their ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. Some species, like the African gray parrot, are exceptionally talented at learning and repeating words and phrases with astonishing clarity. Another fascinating fact is that parrots have zygodactyl feet, which means they have 4 toes on each foot, with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backward. This unique foot structure gives them a strong grip, enabling them to perch securely on branches and even manipulate objects with their feet, almost like hands. When it comes to their diet, parrots are not just seed eaters. While seeds are a significant part of their nutrition in the wild, many parrot species also consume fruits, nuts, flowers, and even insects. This diverse diet provides them with essential nutrients and helps them thrive in various environments, from rainforests to arid savannas. In terms of size, parrots range from the tiny pygmy parrots, which are only a few inches long, to the majestic hyacinth macaw, which can reach up to 40 inches in length. The hyacinth macaw is not only the largest parrot species but also one of the most striking, with its vibrant blue plumage and powerful beak. Speaking of beaks, parrots have strong, curved bills that are perfect for cracking open nuts and seeds. Their beaks are also used for climbing, grooming, and even playing. Parrots are highly dexterous with their beaks, capable of intricate movements that aid in various daily activities. Now, let's talk about their intelligence. Parrots are among the most intelligent birds and animals on the planet. They demonstrate problem-solving skills, tool use, and complex social behaviors. Studies have shown that some parrot species exhibit cognitive abilities comparable to primates, such as reasoning and understanding cause and effect. In addition to their smarts, parrots are also known for their long lifespans. Depending on the species, a pet parrot can live anywhere from 20 to 80 years or even longer in some cases. This longevity makes them lifelong companions for many bird enthusiasts, requiring dedicated care and attention throughout their lives. One of the most unique aspects of parrots is their vibrant plumage. Parrots display a dazzling array of colors, from the vivid greens of the Amazonian parrots to the fiery reds and yellows of the macaws. These colors serve several purposes, including camouflage in their natural habitats and attracting mates during courtship displays. Finally, let's not forget the conservation challenges that many parrot species face today. Habitat loss, illegal pet trade, and climate change threaten numerous parrot populations around the world. Conservation efforts are crucial to protecting these magnificent birds and ensuring their survival for future generations to admire and learn from. In conclusion, parrots are not just beautiful creatures but also intelligent, social, and resilient beings that continue to fascinate and inspire us. Whether you're marveling at their mimicry, admiring their plumage, or learning about their complex behaviors, parrots remind us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth. That wraps up our exploration of fascinating facts about parrots. Stay tuned for more adventures into the animal kingdom right here on Adventure Pulse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible insights into the world of nature. Until next time, keep exploring.